right, guys, loop is live. Tim comes first in the yellow and white truck. And he throwing down a 5 flat on lap number 1. Let's find some battles on the track. Ralph Lepley and Cole Davis going at it right here. Ralph trying to sneak away. Cole trying to keep him at bay. Meanwhile, Shark and Tim coming up behind him. Oh, big trouble off turn 4, guys. Careful, we're clear. Once again, after race number 8, which is the next race, street stock, we're going to have 5 minutes of open track, followed by the main events. 5-minute practice session, followed by the start of the main events. Up first will be 17.5 B-Main, and Nitro Sprint will be second. Be ready, please. Lepley going for a ride right there. He's going to drop to second. Tim Parrish out front right now. The gap from Tim back to Ralph. These guys pretty much been going at it for a year straight here. Oh, trouble. Looks like Cole Davis on his lid here. Thank you, Jason. We're halfway, 2 down, 2 to go. Race 7 of 8. Race 8 up next. Street stock. You guys are up next. Remember, guys, Opel guys making your last-minute purchases inside the shop. Making last-minute purchases right now. We got RC Celeste tires in stock. Purples, magentas, pink 35s, soft pink, silvers. Anything you need, we got it. 1:30 left. Drivers Tim Parrish on a new TQ pace right now. We're looking at a 47 lap pace for Tim Parrish in the yellow and white truck. Right on the tail of John Kay. Woo! John Kay leaving that door open just enough. Oh, Tim now getting into traffic here. It's going to cost him some time. Oh, holy smokes. Daniel and Cole finding each other head to head over here in turn 3. 1:05 left on the clock. We are coming up to the end of round number 2 here.
1 minute left.
Careful on the backstretch. Shark trying to get it going the right way. Oh, John Kay. Oh, careful. Oh, holy smoke. Careful on the front stretch, guys. Go low on the front stretch. Low on the front stretch. Ralph missing a bunch of time right there. 4 corners on the front stretch. Low on the front stretch, guys. Slow it up on the front stretch. There we go. Clear, clear, clear. 15 seconds left, drivers. Everyone keep going until I call you down. Everyone keep going until I call you down.
Car 3 is done. Car 1 is done.